This is a tricky one too, is something that's processed, because processed is always negative. It's always something that is processed is going to be something that's not good for me. So I gave them an example. I said, okay, if I have some kind of bowl of fruit, let's say berries, some sort, that's whole food. That everyone would agree that this is good for me, this bowl of berries or whatever. Now, if I put it in a blender and I blend it up, is it worse for me now that I've processed it? Because I've processed it. I blended it up, and then everyone's like confused and they don't know how to answer it because they had never thought of that as being processed. If you mix things together, you are processing the food. But typically what we're talking about when we say processed is things that have multiple things added to it, whether it's preservatives or whatever, things that are frozen, things that are in a box. Processed is just like our blanket term for that. A process doesn't necessarily have to be a negative thing, right? If I make a shake of some sort, that's processed. That doesn't mean it's necessarily bad.